So before Dr. Matt, I had ongoing neck pain from the herniated disc that was in my neck, with a spinal surgeon telling me that I needed spinal surgery. He needed to cut me open to the front, go in and replace it with an artificial disc. The pain was pretty severe. It wasn't 24/7, but it was pretty constant. Stabbing like ice picks and knives in my neck would limit my range of motion, and would sometimes even lock my neck up and just give me headaches and different things. Shoot down my shoulder. I would even at times feel it all the way down to my fingertips from my neck. But after coming to Dr. Matt and doing the ongoing treatments of him being able to decompress that disc in my neck, of being able to alleviate the pressure and move the disc back into the proper alignment, I don't have any more neck pain. I don't need spinal surgery, even though when I told the spinal surgeon to his face, canceling my surgery because I had already booked the date, he said, I don't believe it. I think you'll be back, but you can do whatever you want. Basically telling me, I'll see you later. I'll see you when you come back. And I haven't been back because I haven't needed to, because my neck pain is gone. So it's greatly increased my quality of life. It gives me more time with my son, being able to play with him for longer, extended periods of time, normal amounts of time, whereas beforehand it took away that time. Headaches would take away that time. It hurt me at work, being able to concentrate at times. So Dr. Matt has pretty much saved my quality of life in many ways. So if you haven't tried it out, you definitely need to try it out.